All right, guys, 2018 Audi A3 S-Line Turbo 2.0. This is what it sounds like before. It's so quiet, you guys can't even hear it. Here's sound decibels, go ahead. Right at 81. Barely anything, man. I talk louder than that. Look, when I talk, it gets even higher. So it's really, really quiet. Or speak louder than that. Is that correct? I speak louder than that. There it is. All right. Stay tuned. We're going to straight pipe it. We'll let you guys hear it in a second. Now I know why, guys, my voice is louder than the whole car with it running. Let me show you guys. Audi went out of their way. So they got a converter up there, a secondary converter there. Then they got a giant resonator right there. Then they got a secondary resonator there. Cool design on it. It goes in through here, comes out this side. They just like stuffed it in there right beside the gas tank. And then if that's not enough to make it quiet, okay, they went ahead and did a giant muffler. Look, it goes in the center, and look how long it is. It's as big as the trunk. See that, guys? That is crazy. And then with two tailpipes out the back. They did the double tailpipe on purpose, too, to make it even quieter. The more you break up the sound, the quieter it becomes. So, some information for you guys. So, resonator, muffler. Huge. It's 2018 Audi A3 S-Line Turbo 2.0. We showed you what it looked like before, sounded before. So factory converter's still there. The primary's up there somewhere. Then what we did is our resonator delete right there, put a pipe in its place. The second resonator delete, we put a pipe in its place and a hanger. And then a muffler delete, because the muffler was all the way to here to here. Deleted it, put a pipe in its place, and then finished it off nicely with a carbon fiber double tip. Just to make it look extra fancy. Look at that. Really nice. It accents the car nicely, as you guys can see there. Very nice. And there's the muffler that was on it right there. It's a center in, dual out. Then there's that second resonator and the primary resonator. All right, there it is. And a hanger that was holding it up. That's the stuff that was on it before. A lot nicer, a lot cleaner. He gained about 100 horsepower. No. We shaved off about 100 pounds of weight off of it by doing that. So it helps with the performance. We'll let you guys hear it in a second. Hope you guys like it. And like always, guys, like, comment, hit that subscribe. Much better. It actually has some sound now, you know? When he goes down the road, it's gonna have barbers. Here's sound decibels. Right at 89, 90. The rev limiter too. Go ahead and back it up. Audi A3. That's clean. You see how it's not even really that loud, guys. The turbo takes a lot of the sound away. All the way you get these cars to the rear, you got to tune them and do a downpipe, high flow cat, 200 cell. Get them really loud. Let you guys hear on the inside. so quiet, you guys can't even hear it. Here's sound decibels. Go ahead. Right at 81. Barely anything, man. I talk louder than that. Look, when I talk, it gets even higher. So it's really, really quiet. Or speak louder than that. Is that correct? I speak louder than that. There it is. All right. Stay tuned. We're going to straight pipe it. We'll let you guys hear it in a second. Much better. It actually has some sound now, you know? When he goes down the road, it's gonna have barks. Here's sound decibels. Right at 89, 90. The rev limiter too. Go ahead and back it up. Audi A3 2.0 turbo. Fully straight pipe. See how fast this thing can go.